lemon tree didn't grow fast because of magic fertilizer. It didn't grow fast because I constantly fed it. And it definitely didn't grow fast because I pushed it. It grew fast because I stopped working against the tree and I started working with how lemon trees actually work. If your lemon tree is alive but barely moving, lots of leaves, not much growth, and it's been the same size for months, this video is for you. Just like composting, just like chicken run, lemon tree growth is a system. And when one part of the system is blocked, growth slows, no matter how much fertilizer you add. Most people think lemon trees grow slowly because they need more food. So they feed and they feed again. But what actually stops fast growth isn't a lack of nutrients. It is root stress. So what does root stress look like? It can be seen through slow new growth, pale or uneven leaves, flowers dropping, tree looks healthy but stuck, and the tree isn't lazy, it is cautious. So here's a quick growth trick that you need to know. The fastest way to grow a lemon tree isn't feeding the leaves, it's activating the roots. And the trick is simply, once you understand it, it's really easy to apply. So I need you to do this step by step. And then the complete checklist will be linked in the description box below as a printable free PDF. Step 1 is to clear the base, and this is the most skipped step. Now first, I need you to clear everything from the base of the trunk. No mulch touching the trunk, no grass competing, and definitely no compacted soil. Lemon trees hate suffocation at the base. Step 2 is to loosen, don't dig. Next, I need you to gently loosen the soil around the drip line. No digging, not turning the soil, just opening the air pathways. The roots grow faster when the oxygen can move. Step 3 is to add living organic matter. So here's the part that most people miss. Instead of dumping fertilizer, add living organic matter. So what's living organic matter? It is compost, worm castings, aged manure, very light. And what that does is it feeds microbes, not just the tree. Step 4 is to water deeply, then wait. So just water deeply, then stop. Fast growth comes from cycles, not from constant attention. So why does this system work? So when the roots feel safe, they feel aerated, they are supported by microbes, the tree switches from survival mode into growth mode. And that's when you suddenly see new shoots, thicker stems, bigger leaves, fast canopy expansion, not overnight, but noticeably faster. So let's talk about some common mistakes that slow the growth of lemon trees. Mistake number 1 is over fertilizing. So it's using too much nitrogen, gives leaves, but gives you weak roots. Mistake number 2 is mulch that's piled against the trunk. And what that does is it traps moisture and stress right away where the tree breathes. Mistake number 3 is constant shallow watering. Shallow watering creates shallow roots and slow trees. Mistake 4 is ignoring soil life. Healthy trees always need soil life, always need microorganisms. They grow from living soil, not bottles. So pause the video and check this off. Here's a quick lemon tree quick grow checklist. I need you to make sure trunk base clear and breathing, soil loosened at drip line, living organic matter added, deep watering done, no fertilizer overload, mulch pulled back from trunk, and watering schedule adjusted. So fast growth doesn't come from pressure, it actually comes from removing resistance. So when you build the right conditions, lemon trees do the rest quietly, confidently, and fast. So if you want to comment whether your lemon tree is in the ground or in a pot, because the setup changes slightly. And if this video has helped, like and subscribe for more real-world gardening systems that actually work, and tips and tricks and strategies that have worked time and time again for me and my family. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day. All the best.